Howdy, folks. Welcome back to Animal Facts with Jimmy, where nature gets weird and wonderful. Today, we're diving deep into the ocean to meet one of the most mysterious and intelligent creatures on Earth, the octopus. From alien-like features to extraordinary survival skills, you're about to discover facts that will make you see octopuses in a whole new light. All right, buckle up, animal enthusiasts, because we're starting with a doozy. Octopuses don't just have one heart, not even two, they've got three. That's right, 3 hearts pumping that blue blood throughout their bodies. 2 of these hearts are dedicated to pumping blood to the gills, which is important because octopuses need all the oxygen they can get in their watery homes. The 3rd heart, that one takes care of the rest of the body, making sure all those tentacles stay wiggling and those brains stay sharp. This unusual hue comes from a copper-rich protein called hemocyanin. See, most creatures like us land dwellers have iron-rich hemoglobin in our blood, which makes it red, but hemocyanin is what helps octopuses transport oxygen in those cold, low-oxygen ocean depths. Now, if there's one thing octopuses are known for, it's their incredible camouflage skills. These masters of disguise can change both their color and texture in the blink of an eye to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. You think chameleons are impressive? Octopuses take camouflage to a whole other level. Imagine being able to disappear into a coral reef, becoming one with the rocks, or even mimicking a patch of sand. That's the power of specialized skin cells called chromatophores. These cells contain pigments that can expand and contract, allowing the octopus to flash different colors and patterns. They also have papillae, which are tiny bumps on their skin that can change texture, mimicking the rough surface of coral or the smooth texture of sand. Some octopuses can even imitate the movements and appearances of other marine animals to deter predators. Let's talk brains, or should I say, brains plural. Octopuses are incredibly intelligent creatures and their smarts are distributed throughout their bodies. That's right. Each of their 8 arms has its own mini-brain, which means they can multitask like no other animal on Earth. Imagine being able to simultaneously reach for a snack, unscrew a jar, and give someone a high five, all with different arms. But their intelligence goes far beyond just multitasking. Octopuses have been known to solve complex mazes, open jars to get to tasty treats inside, and even escape from aquariums. They're curious, they're resourceful, and they're constantly learning. In fact, researchers believe that octopuses are capable of observational learning, meaning they can watch and learn from other octopuses, even if they've never encountered the task before. Octopuses have even been observed using tools like coconut shells as shelter and rocks to block the entrances to their dens. Hold on to your hats, because octopuses don't just swim. They rocket through the water using jet propulsion. They have a siphon, a funnel-like structure on their bodies, that they use to expel water with incredible force. This creates a powerful jet that propels them backward, allowing them to zoom away from danger in the blink of an eye. Imagine a superhero with a jetpack, zipping through the ocean depths with incredible speed and agility. This jet propulsion system is incredibly efficient, allowing them to reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour in short bursts. But it's not just about speed. This jet propulsion also gives them incredible maneuverability. They can change direction quickly and effortlessly, dodging predators and navigating complex environments with ease. Now, when it comes to self-defense, octopuses have a few more tricks up their tentacles. If a predator gets too close, they can release a cloud of ink, creating a smoke screen that confuses and disorients their attacker. It's like something out of a spy movie, only way more slimy. But this ink isn't just a visual distraction. It contains a compound called tyrosinase, which can temporarily impair a predator's senses. We're talking messed up smell, blurry vision, the whole 9 yards. It's a brilliant defense mechanism that gives the octopus time to make a quick getaway, while its attacker is left wondering what just hit them. Some scientists believe that octopus ink might even have medicinal properties, with antibacterial and antiviral properties being investigated for potential use in treating diseases. One of the most remarkable things about octopuses is their incredible flexibility. Unlike most animals, they don't have a single bone in their bodies. That's right, they're basically boneless wonders, which allows them to squeeze through the tiniest of spaces. We're talking cracks, crevices, holes, you name it. If their beak can fit, the whole octopus can follow. This boneless anatomy is a huge advantage in the wild. It allows them to explore every nook and cranny of their environment, hunting for prey and escaping from predators with ease. Octopuses can exert a surprising amount of force, allowing them to pry open shells, wrestle with prey, and even defend themselves against larger animals. They're like underwater contortionists with a powerful grip. Now let's talk about those amazing tentacles. Octopuses don't just use their arms for grabbing and moving, they're also covered in taste buds. That's right. Each sucker on their tentacles is equipped with chemoreceptors, which are sensory cells that detect chemicals. This means that octopuses can taste everything they touch. They use their sense of taste to identify prey, locate mates, and even navigate their surroundings. It's like having thousands of tiny tongues all over your body. Octopuses can also use their suckers to detect the texture of objects, determining whether something is rough or smooth, hard or soft. This highly developed sense of touch, combined with their exceptional eyesight, allows them to build a detailed picture of their environment, even in murky water. It's a sensory overload that helps them thrive in their underwater world. Now, for all their incredible abilities, octopuses have surprisingly short lifespans. Most species only live for 1 to 2 years, which is a blink of an eye compared to some other marine creatures. But what they lack in longevity, they more than make up for in their extraordinary lives. During their short time on this planet, octopuses pack in more adventure, intelligence, and intrigue than most creatures could ever dream of. They're masters of disguise, escape artists, problem solvers, and even loving parents, all within a lifespan of just a few years. After mating, both males and females undergo a process called senescence, which is essentially a rapid decline in health that leads to death. It's a bittersweet end to a remarkable life, but it ensures that the next generation of octopuses has the best chance of survival. You might think of octopuses as strictly aquatic creatures, but you'd be surprised to learn that some species can actually survive out of water for short periods of time. These land excursions are usually brief and are typically motivated by the need to find food or escape from unfavorable conditions in the water. For example, during low tide, some octopuses will venture out of tide pools in search of crabs and other tasty treats stranded on the exposed shoreline. And while they might not be the most graceful walkers on land, their ability to survive out of water for short periods of time is a testament to their incredible adaptability and resilience. It just goes to show that octopuses are full of surprises. Octopuses are so strange, so unlike any other creature on Earth that some scientists jokingly refer to them as aliens of the sea. Their DNA is incredibly unique, filled with genes that we don't see in any other animal groups. These genes are responsible for some of the octopus's most remarkable abilities, including their complex brain function, their ability to regenerate limbs, and even their incredible camouflage skills. Some researchers have even proposed a rather radical theory that octopuses might be the descendants of extraterrestrial organisms. While this idea is still highly speculative, it highlights just how unusual and fascinating these creatures truly are. Whether they're from our planet or another galaxy, one thing is for sure, octopuses are out of this world. Well, folks, there you have it. 10 mind-blowing facts about octopuses that prove these creatures are straight out of a science fiction novel. From their 3 hearts and blue blood to their incredible camouflage and problem-solving skills, octopuses never cease to amaze. They're a testament to the incredible diversity and wonder of the natural world, and a reminder that we still have so much to learn about the creatures that share our planet. So, which octopus fact blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments, and if you love exploring the wonders of the animal kingdom, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more weekly mind-blowing content.